Hello, good morning from Chefchaouen. Today we're going to Akchour, a place not that far from Chefchaouen. We're going to see some nature, so let's go to Akchour. Mais avant qu'on parte à Akchour, on va d'abord prendre le petit déj. Devant nous, on a un petit déj typique marocain. Donc je te laisse, Oumaima, nous expliquer un petit peu ce que c'est ça, tout ça là.
Du coup là, nous avons un petit déj avec le paissage. Du coup c'est une soupe de fèves qui est pas mal connue ici au nord du Maroc. Là, nous avons le zeytoun, comme d'hab, un peu de fromage de local. Là, nous avons khlia. Du coup, c'est une omelette avec de la viande séchée. C'est ce qu'on appelle khlia. Et là, nous avons une sorte de saucisson, fromage et zeytoun.
Et tout ça, on mange avec du pain.
Ouais, on mange tout avec le pain.
Du pain.
Toujours le pain.
Ataï et jus d'orange. Comment tu dis jus d'orange en arabe?
Dans le nord, ils appellent ça asad lichin. Mais nous, on dit aussi asad limoun.
Ok. Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
So now we're en route to Akchour on a taxi.
Nous avons des grandes montagnes de riz. Nous avons un type ici.
C'est une aventure.
Un type en aventure.
La voiture devant nous. Très classique. Voilà. Ah, Alright, so after 25 minutes of taxi, we arrive in Akchour, and Akchour actually is like nowhere in the middle of mountain, and we're gonna walk on our way to Le Pont de Dieu, the bridge of the gods. And here we have flowing water, so it's quite pleasing to see such a nature. And another thing I want to add is the taxi in Morocco is really not expensive at all. Maybe it's because every single time I want to take taxi, I would let Oumaima talk with the driver. So 20-25 minutes of taxi only costs us about 3 euros or 15 ringgit. So really it's not that expensive. So look, we have water, so it feels really refreshing because Morocco is really hot right now. Man-made waterfall. But it's really good to hear the sound of nature again. So our taxi driver said that we are the first that arrive here, so there's only 3 of us at the moment. He say we are going to the Pont de Dieu, the bridge of the gods. So we're still walking. I don't know how many minutes that we're gonna take to arrive to the Pont de Dieu. Look in the mountains. I really love the mountain because in Malaysia, in Terengganu, we don't have big mountains like this. So it's really always interesting for me to see mountains. Est-ce qu'on est sur le bon chemin là, Oumi? Ça monte, ça descend jamais. C'est hiking. So, that is the Pont de Dieu. We're going there. So after about 30 minutes of walk, and you can see the bridge of the gods, and the view from up here is amazing. I mean, surrounded by mountains. It's really impressive. Really big rocks. Mountain is big, are big rocks. So we found a really sick spot. Like the best place to see all the scenery. It's really beautiful. Donc nous voilà sur le Pont de Dieu. So we did all that hiking just to come to this bridge, and this bridge is a natural bridge. So it's connect this side to this side. And we are so high above because if you can look down there, if I fall down, I'm gonna be a pancake. So now I think the temperature is getting hot, and if we can swim a little or just dip my feet in the water, it's gonna be great. So right now we're just gonna chill here, enjoying the nature, because after this we're gonna make a U-turn and go back, and we're gonna find a passage to go down to find some water. And our friend Igor, the Swiss guy that climbed with us until here, he continued his path to find a village. What's the name of the village again?
I think that it is Imswan? No.
Yeah, just to find another village over there, and we're just gonna enjoy our little snacks
Something like that.
with the nature. So after this we're gonna make a U-turn. So just now we were on top of the bridge of the gods, and right now we try to go below it. I mean, we're gonna try to find a spot where we can dip our feet just to cool off a little bit, because the temperature is rising at the moment. So we're gonna go ahead and find a spot for us. And also, just a side note, a funny story, you know, just a fact, Morocco is the biggest cannabis producers in the world. And as we were walking down here, we saw just local people just chilling around smoking cannabis. It's really funny for me, because Morocco, they plant marijuana the most on this mountain, in this rift mountain. So we have a lot of marijuana plant. I mean, we cannot see here, but but there are some spots where they grow marijuana. So people, the local, they smoke here for fun. So jom, we're gonna walk over there. So that is Le Pont de Dieu. We were up there, now we came down to search for water. So most of the tourists, they stop over there, but we keep marching just below the bridge. We keep marching. Hey, where are you going? Raoula. So, see the Blue Lagoon. Nobody here because everybody's maybe too scared to come over here. I mean, it's very slippery and people stop over there. So we have arrived at our last destination over here. So I think I'm gonna end this video in Akchour here. We're just gonna sit and relax, just to chill a little bit, and then we're gonna take a taxi back to Chefchaouen. So thank you very much. À la prochaine fois. Ciao. Bye.